Hi, welcome back to my channel, J.T.WoodworksNJ on YouTube. We're just going to go with part 3 on the secret compartment keychains. And you saw I drilled the blanks in the last video. And now we have to glue the tubes in. The tubes that come with these are chrome, so the chrome needs to come off or the epoxy won't stick to it. So I'm just going to use a Dremel and take that off. That's good for that. We got that all scuffed off now, so the epoxy will stick. Just going to hit it with a little bit of compressed air, get the dust off, and then mix up some epoxy. I like to mix this in these little trays that I get the bottle stoppers come in. They have 10 compartments. Makes it nice for mixing this up. I like to just take a little bit and put it inside of the blank in the hole. And then you take the tube and you put it on the insertion tool. And then you coat the outside of that with the epoxy. Make sure it's spread all around, especially at the ends. And then you just take that and put it into the blank, and then you spin it as you're putting it in to get the epoxy spread out all over. And make sure it's not sticking out. And I like to just take the screwdriver and just get that extra epoxy off the end. And then that's it. That's glued in. We have to let that sit for a few hours. Then I have some here that I did the last time I was making some, but I never finished the stoppers. And what you have to do is square off the end of the blank to the tube. So I'm just going to stick that in the vise, and then I have the tool for squaring that off in the drill. It's got a shaft that goes down into the tube, and then some carbide cutters. And you just go slow with that. I like to just get the glue out of the one side and then flip it over and get the glue out of the other side, and then start trimming the end. And you just got to go nice and easy with it. All right, so that end's done. And then just flip it over again and trim off that other end. And that's all done, and then you can see the wood is right down even with the tube. There's nothing extra on the end. And then you just mount that on the lathe with the bushings and turn it to whatever shape you want to make it. And we're going to do that in the next video. I got 14 more tubes here to glue up, and I don't want to bore you with all that. So thanks for watching, and like my channel, or hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.